Here at Rubix, they've built a facility dedicated to doing your process optimization for you. Don't believe me? We'll come down to their open house where you can talk to engineering experts just like this who are dedicated to taking your factory to the next level. They're going to have seminars, live cutting demonstrations, and there's going to be loads of industry experts to talk to about your facility's issues. Make sure you come down to the Rubix Product Proving Centre open house here in Sandiacre, Nottingham on the 9th, 10th and 11th of October.